Hi folks, size of the atom, real short worksheet. Can you see a single atom with a microscope? You definitely cannot. Atoms are so tiny that no, there's absolutely no way to see it with a microscope. And even worse, of course, is a nucleus. Now, a nucleus is much smaller than an atom, so no, you cannot see it with a microscope at all. So if you think of for example, a human hair or even a skin cell, all right, a skin cell is made up of billions and billions of atoms. So we can see a skin cell under a microscope, but when you get down to the fact that it's made up of billions and billions of things, we can't see those little tiny things. Okay. How small is an atom? Well, guys, what I showed you in the podcast was about 15 milliliters of water, which is approximately 1 tablespoon of water. And we said that there were a bunches of atoms in there. All right. In fact, we said there were 1, 5, and I think about 23 zeros out here. All right. So it's just some huge number. So that means atoms are really tiny. I don't have a good way to describe it. Okay. It just amazes me how small these things are. All right. List 3 atoms, their atomic number, and atomic masses. All right, so let's go and say that we have hydrogen. All right, and it is atomic number 1, and it has a mass of 1.0079. And you can just look straight across your periodic table and take your next one, which is helium, which is atomic number 2, and it weighs pull out my trusty periodic table, 4.003 atomic mass units. And I'll go to number 3, which is lithium, and lithium weighs 6.941 atomic mass units. So all you have to do is just look at your periodic table, and you should be able to pick those off for whichever ones you want to look at. Okay? These are all in atomic mass units. So when I'm looking at my masses, these are all in AMUs or atomic mass units. Okay? That's it. Hope you have